With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, let's take a question here. The question is match the properties and uses of alloys in list 1 with the appropriate answer from the list 2. So list 1 has first, the alloy contains copper and zinc and is listed hard and is used in the decorative articles. Second is it is stronger than aluminium, light and is used in making light tools, stronger than aluminium. Third is it is lustrous, hard, corrosion resistant and used in surgical instruments. Fourth is tin lowers the melting point of the alloy and is used for the soldering purpose. Fifth is the alloy is hard, brittle, takes a polish and is used for making statues. Okay, so let's here list 2 is for Duralumin, brass, bronze, stainless steel and solder. So if we see the composition of Duralumin, okay, so Duralumin is composed of 90% to 94% aluminium. It means that the main constituent element in the Duralumin is aluminium. Okay, so for B we have brass. Okay, and the brass is mainly the alloy of copper plus zinc, but the main constituent element in the brass is copper. Okay, it is copper. And now we have C, that is bronze. C, bronze. It also has the main element copper, but it also have the 12% of tin. 12% of tin, but the main is here copper. Okay, now D alloy given is stainless steel. Okay, stainless steel is mainly an alloy of iron, but iron is easily corroded when it comes in the contact with air. Okay, plus water, O2 plus water, it gets corroded easily. So it also have some impurities like chromium, nickel, many more. Okay, so but here the main alloy is our iron. And for E is our solder. E is our solder. In the solder we have, solder is mainly the alloy of tin. Okay, it has 86 to 98% of tin plus the other elements like zinc, silver, antimony, copper. Okay, like this. Here it has silver, antimony and copper also. Okay, in some little bit percentage. So here our first statement is, if we see, the alloy contains copper and zinc and is less hard and is used in decorative articles. So that will be our answer, brass. So for that our answer will be brass, as we know that it is mainly the alloy of copper and zinc only, no other elements. Okay, and it is also used in the decorative articles. It is also used in the decorative articles. So for the first we have the answer B. For the first we have the answer B. Now second is it is stronger than the aluminium, light and is used in making light tools, and that will be Duralumin, because if we see the composition of Duralumin, it has mainly aluminium. No other options given has aluminium, okay, as the main element. So here for second our answer will be Duralumin, that is A. Okay, now it is lustrous, hard, corrosion resistant and used in surgical instruments. So here our answer will be stainless steel, D. Why stainless steel? So because if we see that doctor uses the main equipments made of the steel only, and here we have introduced the other elements with the iron to prevent corrosion. Okay, so here we will have stainless steel. Now here we have tin lowers the melting point of the alloy and is used for soldering purpose. Here we have already soldering, so it means here it will be solder. So here our answer will be E. Okay, so fifth is the alloy is hard, brittle, takes a polish and is used for making statues, and that is our C. It is also used for making our medals or etc. Okay, so our answers are B, A, D, E, C. So that's our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.